Welcome to our guide on IRS Form 4506T, the Request for Transcript of Tax Return. This form is essential for obtaining transcripts of your previously filed tax returns from the IRS. Form 4506T is used to request various types of tax transcripts, including tax return transcript, tax account transcript, record of account transcript, wage and income transcript, verification of non-filing letter. Let's walk through how to fill out Form 4506T. Item 1A, enter your full legal name as it appears on your tax return. If it's a joint return, enter the name shown first. Item 1B, enter your Social Security number, SSN, or Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, ITIN. If a joint return, enter the first SSN or ITN. Item 2A, enter your spouse's name if applicable. Item 2B, enter your spouse's SSN or ITIN if it's a joint return. Item 3, enter your current address, including apartment, room or suite number, city, state and zip code. Item 4, enter the address you used on your last filed return if different from your current address. Item 5, you can enter up to 10 numerals to create a unique customer file number that will appear on the transcript. This is optional, but can help you track your request. Item 6, enter the tax form number of the return you are requesting, such as 1040. Items 6A to 6C, mark the appropriate box to indicate the type of transcript you're requesting. O6A. Return transcript, O6B. Tax account transcript, O6C, record of account. Item 7, check this box if you need a verification of non-filing. Item 8, enter the date of the tax years requested. You can request up to 4 years. Finally, sign and date the form. If it's a joint return, your spouse must also sign. Ensure that the form is signed within 120 days of the date you submit it to the IRS. Submit the completed Form 4506T to the IRS by mailing it to the address provided in the form's instructions or by faxing it to the appropriate number. For more information on Form 4506T and to download the form, visit the IRS website. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful in understanding how to request your tax transcripts using Form 4506T. Filling out PDF forms can be a hassle, but with Instafill, you can complete them quickly and accurately. Our AI-powered tool allows you to upload any fillable PDF form and ensures it's filled out correctly, eliminating errors. Whether the form is blank or pre-filled, Instafill will help you get it right in just seconds.